Hello everyone, Chef Marissa Catanzaro here today.
And Gianna.
Today we're going to be preparing for you Zepplois.
Zeppellini.
This recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. These are the ingredients that we need. Warm water, flour, corn oil, confectionery sugar, regular sugar, salt, yeast, and olive oil. I'm just going to gather the dough all in the middle. And here you go. You flip them. I like them well done. I don't like them raw, so I make them cook right. You keep the heat medium to high, because if you put it too high, they burn on the outside and they're raw on the inside. Here's our final product. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next recipe. And bon appetit.